Hi everyone, welcome back. We have a little disappointing news today. We received the Vcopter Mini just last Monday. We were able to take it out for a flight. We had some issues trying to register the drone. We weren't able to do that, and as a result of not being able to register it, we couldn't log into an account. And as a result of that, we were limited to the return to home height of 30 meters, a distance of 30 meters, and also a height limit of 30 meters. Anyways, I thought, okay, I'll just keep trying to do that. And I figured tonight, after work, I would try it again. But I received a very alarming email from Zero Robotics. Apparently the electronics and the batteries have an issue with the Vcopter Mini, this batch that just went out to everyone. They're informing everyone, do not put the batteries in the drone, don't fly the drone. So there's obviously some electronic problems. And the batteries, they want you to dispose of the batteries. I actually have 2 batteries here, and they're saying to take some electrical tape over the terminals. As you can see here, I have taped over these terminals. They want you to do a video of disposing of them. I haven't disposed of these yet, but I have taped them up, and I won't be using them. I want to make sure that I'm actually going to get a replacement drone, as they're stating, for October or November, they say. So I gave all my information, my address, and hopefully whatever issue is going on with the Vcopter Mini, they'll correct that and we'll have a good working drone. Anyways, I felt like this message should be put out there for everybody that has ordered the Vcopter Mini or has received the Vcopter Mini. If you received it already, I'm sure you'll be getting the same email as I got to cease and stop using this drone. Very disappointing, very disappointing. Anyways, guys, I have the email here on the side that you can read, and I appreciate the watch, and give us a thumbs up for this one, and we'll catch you in the next one. I don't know when I'll be flying the Vcopter Mini again. Thanks for watching.